The other contact management techniques are here. For example, you have been created two contacts. Okay, if you like to make them as a one group, you can create a contact group also. All your teammates to be in a one particular group. Then what you can do? We can go to a new contact group here, new contact group, and you can give the group like okay, contact group name we have been given. Who are all the member? We can add members here. Add members from Outlook contact. We'll say this one as a member. Okay, and this one as a member. Like this we can keep adding a members and say okay, so that two of them has been added. Then save and close to create a group. You can see this is a group we have been created. You can check the icons here. For the individual only one image will be there. For a group you will be having a like 2 to 3 heads will be shown here. Okay, so to identify which is a group and which is the single contact, you can come to know that. Okay, in case if you like to communicate with a group, okay, you can select here. You directly you can write a mail. Okay, it will be go to all the teams who are all there in that particular group. The mail you have been created, it will be going to all the group members you have been created here. Similarly, if you like to manage a contact, like if you like to delete any of the contact, select that contact and we have to say delete. If you like to assign a meeting or assign a task to particular contact, you can assign a task directly from here. Okay. If you like to schedule a meeting with that particular contact, you can directly schedule a meeting by click on here. Similarly, if you like to forward this particular contact with anyone, you can forward contact as a business card, so that what will happen, that particular receiver will be getting a detail about a contact as a card, business card, like name, where he working, what is the designation, his contact details will be shown there. Okay, like this we can send the any of the contact to any of your client or your teammates directly from your Outlook. Similarly, we can privatize the contact, in the sense this particular contact will not be shown to anyone else apart from you. Okay, if you are privatizing private, if you click on a private, this particular contact will not be shown to anyone else. Only you can able to see this particular contact. Like this we can manage the contacts. Okay, directly we can communicate with your team or client from the contact section itself.